Good evening. Today I want to present my Python mini project. Title for my mini project is Password Master. My name is Heri Muhammad Husin and my student ID is 0412106168 and my class is PYT11 C3C. For my presentation is have three contents. First, introduction. Second, project software. Third, programming flow chart. And lastly, conclusion. For the introduction, Python is a programming language that emphasizes coding productivity and code reliability. Python uses encoding, which is look like right English. Also, encoding is done in words and sentence instead of character. For this mini project, I have choose Password Master as my project, which is basic program for storing and viewing password in text file. This project comes with simple coding, which is easier for me to do and understand. To complete the project, Password Master are also commonly used to store passwords that have been created regularly. In this project, I have created a simple code that allows the software to create a username and password and save them as the text files in our software folder. Not only that, this coding also allowed us to see the username and password that has been created in the software. For this mini project, I use two software, which is ideal. This software is easier to use, and we already learned some of it during our class, which made it the easy most acceptable to use for this project. Second, Mafan convert CFV and array file, which is already been installed previously. For programming flowchart, I installing all the external module that needed for my test. It's already been installed because before I do my mini project, I already use this software for my lab. Start the programming coding with asking the user on their master password. For example, the coding that I already submitting to the software will ask what is the master password, so we can key in like hi or hello, so it will go to next. The program is only allowed user here to create a new password or view an easier one, which leading to second step where I would add this coding. For this mini project, it will ask we to choose either we want to quick view assembly like quick or break, or we can view if we already add our account and password, we can view, or if we want to add a new account or password, can key add. After I create a function in order to recognize my program coding and easier to detect my any coding error. For me, to easier for me to detect for my if something wrong with my coding, I already key in the coding that can detect any error when I run the coding. Lastly, execute the program and we will be able to create, store, and view the password that has been created. For example, this is the output after we run the program. First, it will pop up after we run the program. It will ask what is the master password, so we can either choose hi or hello. So next, it will ask again the second question: would you like to add a new password or view existing one, or press Q to quit? So we must choose either three, either view, add, or quit. So for the example, I add a new account, uh, add an account. So it will pop up an account name and password. So we can key in our name and a new password. So after that, we can view or quick the software. Next, this is the flowchart for the coding. Firstly, start. After that, load the input. Load the input means we choose either we choose or we can put high or low at the coding. So it will bring us to go to option. Either we choose add, view, or quick. So if we add it, if we key in add, it will ask to add account name and password. If we use to key in view, it will come out with username and password. If we use quick, so only key in queue, so it will be stopped in quick. I will demo the how the program I was running. So I will open my coding. This is my coding. So as you can see, here, as you can see, um, the right the right screen is the coding that I write. So I will run. So it will ask what is the master password. So I key in hello, and then it will ask again, would you like to add a new password or view existing one? So I want to add new password. So I key in add. So I will put my name, the date, password. So enter. After that, I want to view the password that I already key in. So I key in view. So it will come out my new password. As you can see, this is my password just now that I I create. Moranis password Moranis 940, and this is the example that I can present. So it will ask again either you want to add or you want to view again. So in this case I want to quit, so I click Q, so it will end that. So far, for my conclusion for this mini project is this password master Python programming mini project is quite successful, where it can do the main purpose of the project, which is to create and save account name or password. But two, I would not recommend anyone to save their own personal password using this program, but it is good to be a mini project for beginner. Through this mini project and a lot of trial and error, I was able to fully understand the concept of coding in Python programming. That's all my presentation for today. So thank you.